everyone. My name is Adil Jamil, and I'm in this video going to show you weather app I built for a internship class. This was a software engineer AI internship class. So this is running in my local computer. Nothing fancy design side, but everything actually worked. That is the matter. I'm gonna search quick London. So this is show me about weather London today and everything about London weather, temperature, sunrise, and everything. And here is some video that I using YouTube API, and here I using weather API. And if I go and my location, it also search my location and weather. After that, you have this save data, so you can edit or just delete your data set. But interesting fact there is a you can download your data set in JSON, CSV, XML, and PDF. So you can just click, and here is your data set. Okay, okay. This is the GitHub wrapper. This this project create and backend on React.js and backend Node.js and database using MongoDB. They just know about my ability. This is my I create this website is simple, but here I connect everything. Here the structure and this project is really well API connected and backend frontend design and development. Everything is works smoothly. If you want to use, here is everything is clone every guideline here, structure way. Thank you guys.